a basic posture that is known as the chauk. The arms are out from the elbow, 90-degree angle, and the dancer half sits. Now, when she is half sitting, her body is within a square, which is why we call it a chauk. Now, here there is some difference in different schools. Some people don't take their feet that far apart, but in our form we do. The other is tribhang. Tribhang means that which is broken in 3 places. Now, here when the dancer sits in tribhang, you notice there is a deflection, a bend at the neck, a bend at the waist, and another bend at the knees. From this tribhang, if she moves the right foot further, or just gives, this is just an example, gives another bend, it becomes ati bhang. And the vaksh meaning the torso, is also used. Now, if she does the very first movement, just watch the head, the shoulder, the vaksh movement as well. It's very slow. 3, 4. Ta, e, ti, na, tirikit, nak, dhini, ta.